We're back in the garage, guys, and above the laundry room there used to be shelves, and there's some remnants of them. I don't want to take those out because they're right in the drywall and it's kind of fucky the way they were installed. And as you can see, I was putting holes in the wall. Same with that, and over there as well. But we got all the shelves down pretty much. And over here there was like a little hidden space with dead rats, or mice, sorry. Lots of garbage under there. Haven't dealt with that yet, but we're gonna move this freezer tomorrow, and we're gonna move this fridge that I'm walking by, and we'll deal with that. The main thing I need to do today is get these shelves down, clear out the freezer, which I did, it's empty, and then unplug it to let it defrost. And then same thing with the fridge, all that. And then I cleared a space outside, and I'll show you that in a sec here, where the freezer, the other freezer, because we got one in the garage here, and that freezer is going to go outside because it actually has food, and the other one's going to go into storage. So basically today was the garage and the outside under my stairs, which I'll show you. And like I said, the freezer is going to go around there. But it was all fucked up under there too. My grandfather stuffed a bunch of shit under our porch stairs. And it was just as bad as the garage. Alright, garbage pile update. There's not too much since all I had to do was the laundry room and take out the shelving in there. But I did clean the underneath part of my stairs out here, which I did talk about. And I will show you now. So all this garbage pretty much came from the underside. Some of the wood came from the garage. But let's go see. Here we go. This is what I cleaned under here. There used to be a tarp. It used to be all messy. But now there's room. There's 2 scooters in there, and I really want to throw them away, but my grandpa insists on keeping them even though we can't use them. So whatever. I threw them down there in a better way because they were on the side of the house, kind of in the middle of everything. Here's a bunch of basil. It looks like caterpillars have gotten to it, but that's okay. And yeah, here's all my like lawn cutting tools and chainsaw and all this other stuff that used to be in the garage but has to be here for now. And right in this spot here, beside all that, we will be putting the freezer because there's an outlet right behind the couch that Walter likes to suntan on. Doo, doo, doo.